Atika. Okay.
It goes 1, lift it up. 2, lift it up. Right near your right boob under your boob. Break and lift. 2, 3, turn your palms forward. 8, Tahitian walk. The only thing that moves is your palms. 1, your hands rather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go again. 1, lift it up. 2, lift it up. Break and lift. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to step and open your right hand. Right, left, clap. Again. Right, left, clap. Now watch. It's here. It's going to come smush it near your boob. Here, in, out. It goes slap into you and out. Slap into you one more time out. Slap into you and out. So it goes. Open the right, open the left. Slap. Your hips got to go left. In and out, in and slap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Okay, that much again. Here we go. Ready? Right, lift it up. Left, lift it up. And break and lift. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reach, Patty. 1 and 2 and clap. In and out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Can you do that whole verse again? 1, pick it up. 2, pick it up. And break and lift. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. The right and the left and slap. In and out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Can you do that again? Second verse. Second verse of that. Walk with the right foot. Walk, 2, 3, 4. You're going to wash your hair. Right, left, right, left. Wash, 2, 3, 4. That much again. Everybody's hips got to go right. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. Stop. I'm going to change this because nobody lifted their shoulder right. So all we're going to do is we're going to step right, step left, and our hand's going to go right and left. Step right, step left to face the back. Right, left. Stop there. On the word fa, you touch your shoulder. So we went, watch. We went walk, 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair, 2, 3, 4. The right and the left, 5. Your right hand is going to come down. Your left hand is going to come up. Your left hand is going to come up and you're going to make bird wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, there again. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right hand goes down. Look at your right hand. Now look, see this hand? It's going to be like a bird wing. Don't let this hand come down. Don't let it come up like a bird flying. Look down. 1, 2, 3 steps that way. Look this down hand. 1, 2, 3. Stop there. Turn to your right shoulder to face the clock. Touch your shoulders. And put your hand down. Walk to me. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands on your hips. Right foot, 4 steps in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from wash your hair, and I'll stay here. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair. 2, 3, 4. The right and the left. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Get it up. 2,